Hi, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now just tap on Text Correction, scroll down a bit, and use this switcher next to Autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!